How to make text bold on Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make text bold on Instagram post. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, Instagram does not have a direct text bold feature inside the app. So here, to make the text bold, we have to copy from the external source, and for that we will just go to bold text generator website through Google. So open Google, and here just tap on the search bar and simply type bold text generator and search for it. And now here on the search result, you can just go to any website to create a bold text effect. And now here, once you're inside the website, you can just type a normal text that you want to send. And now here, if you scroll down there, you'll see the list of all the bolds fonts with your text being created here. So here you can just select the bold text font that you like and want to send, and once you have selected that, you can just copy it. And here, once you have copied the text a post, you can just go back. And now here, once you have exited the Google app, you can just open the Instagram. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the plus icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the cameras section. Now here at the bottom, you'll see several tabs. From there, you can just select post. And here, once you have selected the post on that particular page, if you scroll down, you'll see the list of all the photos and videos from your library. Or here, if you like, you can also take a live photo or video to share it on the post as well. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on next after selecting the photo and video. Now here on the next page, just under the photo or the videos section, you'll see the caption box. Now here you can just paste that text that you have copied before. And now here, once you're done with it, you can add audio, you can tag people, you can add location to your post if you like. And here, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on share, and that's it. That's how you can make text bold in an Instagram post. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.